welcome to day 2 of Winter Add-Ons. In this sale, you can shop everything from scarves, earrings, to luggage and headphones. It's super fun sale to shop, and Holly and I are really excited to highlight some items now.
Yeah, I love shopping, so obviously this brings me so much joy. We're talking entertaining right now. Everything here is perfect for a party, perfect for a hostess, and perfect for guests.
And you're the ultimate hostess, so I can't think of someone better to do this
dinner
with.
parties.
Yes. Okay, so cool. So select members can shop everything right now. All members will have access to shop on Sunday. So, okay, we've got some big, literally very big items in this roundup, and I want to talk about this fireplace first.
Wait, say what?
I know. This is a portable electric fireplace heater from LifeSmart. Oddly enough, you're going to think this is totally goofy, but my parents own one of these.
I feel like I need one of these because I have a faux fireplace. So it's like I actually
This is
have,
a faux, yeah.
Well, I would have like a fireplace in place of my faux fireplace.
I think that, oh, I know what you're talking about. That's
it's
such
like,
an LA thing to do.
Anywho,
yeah.
The next item is the Sakar 12K mini fridge. A good host tip, Rena, is to always have a portable mini fridge.
Love.
I mean, of course, obviously. Now, this fridge allows you to have 12 cans. You can switch the temp from cold to hot, and it has a handle here so you can carry it around. You can bring this to the beach, you can bring this camping, you can bring this anywhere.
I am dying to see the picture of Holly with her beautiful husband Dan on a beach with your mini fridge.
Yeah, why don't you can bring it in the car, road trip. I don't know, be creative.
I don't know.
Rena, I want you to buy me this.
No, totally. So oddly enough, this was like a FabFitFun. This is something that the girls in the office are fighting over because we have so many beauty items that are better when you have them chilled. So the idea of like having this in your bathroom, that means you wouldn't have to walk to the freezer for your jade roller or the fridge for your eye mask. You could just pull it out of the fridge.
Have it under my desk.
100%. You could jade roll in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
So we have some great kitchen items in this roundup, like this waffle maker. This is the Holstein Heart Waffle Maker. It's nonstick, and you can whip up some fun waffles super quick.
And a heart shape.
Everyone loves a good heart shape. I don't even, you were saying earlier,
everything tastes better if it's shaped in a heart.
Yeah, and then I feel like, you know how they always talk about how like when you make something, when you cook for someone, like you should cook with love and intention. And
Start your morning with a waffle heart.
I feel like that's the best way to like, they say, oh, and then there's that other saying, like, the best way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
This is true. This is very true.
Right, so like, what better way to like get to a stomach with a heart-shaped waffle?
I agree. 100%.
I mean, I'm inspired. I need a boyfriend.
Anyhow, next for all you foodies is the sea salt duos. We have two from Gustus Fatai, a smoked sea salt and a crystallized honey sea salt duo. This is great for avocado toast. Yum. Spicing up your protein or toss it in your salad for a little extra crunch. They're in 3 ounces and they have a magnetic backing. You can see in the back.
It goes like this. This is what I think is so cool. You can actually
it's easy for storage.
Yeah, and you can stack a bunch of them. I mean, have you smelled these yet?
Yeah, so this one, the smoky one, is super smoky.
So I know
you can smell it from here. It smells like a campfire.
And Dan love to do Taco Tuesdays.
We do, every Tuesday.
Amazing.
I feel like that would be perfect for it. I mean, they're just great to have in your kitchen. They're great to flavor up anything.
So I'm going to just stop us for a second because I want to read some of the comments because I think we're getting quite a few. So people are saying, Holly, that a lot of items are sold out. Listen, girls, I know items seem like they're sold out today, but make sure you're favoriting those items, and when they do become available again, because people are adding and dropping, that is the nature of add-ons,
always drop.
You may be able to get that item back. So definitely keep checking in and out.
Just pay attention.
And then Clarissa says, I'm still in shock of the fireplace. I love it. I love it too. I
love it too.
Oddly enough, I told you, like, we have 4
When can you buy a fireplace?
I don't know. But we have 4 little dogs in my house, and they tend to hang out in the kitchen because that's the life of my parents' home is the kitchen. And we turn this little fireplace on, and they love it, and then they get all toasty.
It just warms up the environment.
Yeah, so super excited that you're excited about the fireplace. That was the first time we've ever tried something like that in a sale, and we're hoping to do more things like that.
Of course.
So these are all, excuse me, going back to the spices, these are amazing hostess gifts.
Yes.
We started with these 2. If you girls like them, let us know, and we'll try and bring more back from this collection. I think you can never have enough salt and spice.
You cannot. You cannot.
Everything nice.
Okay, we thought this next item would be a fun surprise for guests if they're staying with you.
Amazing.
It's something for the guest bathroom. It's the Oribe Côte d'Azur body collection. The collection has a body wash, a body cream, and then eau de parfum. Smell this. Give me your wrist.
Oh, let's do it. Is Côte d'Azur like an island?
It's like, yeah.
Okay, well, all I know is that I have a few of these products currently in my shower.
This
The
body wash makes your skin so silky smooth, like after you wash.
No, it's...
And
Oribe for us, you guys, is one of our premium beauty brands. They are just an incredible partner. Everything is super high quality, has the most luxurious scents that really don't...
Smell that.
I mean, honestly, I just want some, actually. It's so dry.
It's super
California's
hydrating.
getting cold.
My hands are dry. I'm parched.
But everything is such a subtle, elegant scent, and so nothing conflicts with your
strong.
perfume.
It's perfect.
I know I talk about this all the time. I talk about a few things. I talk about traveling. I talk about my perfume and my love of it. And I can tell you, I really try to go for products that don't compete with my scent, and I love this Oribe line because of that.
It's very fresh.
I also know you said this was good for a guest bathroom.
It is, but I'd probably put it in my bathroom.
Yeah, buy 2, because you're going to want to steal your guest's product. Hostess with the mostest.
That's right.
So, quick reminder, Holly and I are sharing entertaining must picks from our winter add-ons, which is shoppable now for select members only.
That's right.
All members can start shopping on Sunday. Please comment below and tell us what you're excited about. We really had fun putting together this sale for you. I know some of the comments in the community have also said that they think this is our best add-on sale ever.
I agree.
You do?
I do agree.
Holly,
when are you going to get a fireplace?
Wow,
and
Holly,
a fridge?
you just
Sorry.
like, made my heart sing. You know who also made my heart sing? My eye caught the iPad over here, and someone said, Jessie, I love Rena's jacket.
I told you, I love this jacket.
Look at this. So this is actually a jacket from Understated Leather, who is also a FabFitFun favorite partner.
This is true.
Yes. Thanks, girl. Okay, so the next item in our entertaining roundup is the Chic and Tonic decanter and glasses. I mean,
these. They're super thick and super durable, and they look fancy. They just look expensive.
They look like fine crystal.
They do. Cheers.
Would you like to cheers? Oh, let's
cheers.
Let's
Cheers.
all cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. Cheers to me.
Oh my God.
So, Chic and Tonic has hands down become one of my most favorite home entertaining barbers. That I actually just got a new place, and I have to say
Perfect
I
for
am
entertaining.
filling it with Chic and Tonic.
Okay, next we have the prettiest charger I ever did see. It looks like decor. This is our FabFitFun wireless charger.
Go ahead.
It charges your smartphone, your tablet, wearable devices. Check the description end of the sale to see if it's compatible for your device. But I mean, honestly, you can throw it in your bag.
So all you do is you actually just plug it in. So sometimes when I'm sitting at my desk, obviously you just attach the USB into your computer, and then all you have to do is this. And what I love about it is that now you're not struggling with all these wires and fiddling around. And then when I get a phone call, I don't have to, sometimes I'm just like, hi, I don't have to like unplug it.
You don't have to unplug it anymore.
Technology is so nuts. It's just making our
love
lives
technology.
It's just making our lives so much easier. I know, so much easier. So definitely this charger does come in 2 colors. It comes in a black, so you could get one for maybe him and then one for her, and like put them by the side of your bed nightstands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great stocking stuffer. I'm just saying.
Oh, wow.
I'm just saying.
No, it's an incredible stocking stuffer.
I don't know.
For those of you that have kids, sons, daughters, etc., that are going to college, it's also like an awesome, just like back to school.
It is.
You know, because like obviously,
who doesn't have a phone?
January, all the kids go back to school. Yeah. So the last item we chose is this adorable panda speaker from Silo. We've definitely had other speakers in the series.
I mean, look how tiny it is. It's so tiny.
This speaker is super tiny.
It packs a punch.
But it packs a punch. It's actually a speaker that I travel with.
No.
Yeah, because you know what you need? I like to travel light.
So cute.
But you always want to just pump up the tunes. So I actually, wait, I'm going to pump up a tune. check out that.
Oh,
I know, this is
Bradley
like, probably
Cooper.
not the way I wanted to go to the weekend. Did any of you girls watch A Star is Born? Because
Such a good movie.
such a good movie, but you
Best
were
picture.
allowed this is.
Best
I
picture.
think we need to give this a moment.
Oh,
Bradley
stop
Cooper.
it, Brad.
I think I may pass out.
Anywho.
We're stopping it. So you can also use it as a remote to take selfies and timed group photos. Trust us, you absolutely need this. Travel with it, take it everywhere, give it to your kids. Let them play with some music instead of an iPad in the back of your car.
Agreed. And it's a
Yeah.
panda.
And it's a panda. It also makes for a great conversation piece.
It does.
And you can listen to Bradley
You
Cooper.
can listen to Bradley Cooper anytime you like.